True. Oh, the boss is yo down cockatty Fahari, your bombo clan. Look how long we come shot. Yeah, but that's how you stop. Run with him there.
Fahari. Champion sound. See it? Wayne wanna say that?
Yes, Wayne Marshall.
True. Music pumping, the place well packed. Ladies jumping from front to back. Fahari people of the whole dance lot. We feeling it.
Yes, Butcher Bantan.
They should know where the sound came.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's about time for day to rest. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. Come in. Come on, dispute the truth. Well, if it's a weeping and a mourning and a national feet in the dance hall and who don't think will run pan them come when time it comes to my sound, which is the champion sound. The bugle let blow the many time and it still have one more time left because the amount of stripe on our shoulder.
This one is a special. Reaching out to all soundboard. Don't worry you assess.
Iba, hungry. Hey amigos, you come to the champion sound, you keep on peeping to see what we got over here, amigos. But tonight you're going to die.
Fahari Sound, your murder.
Fahari Sound. King Sound. Fahari Sound.
You're lost. It's a Fahari Sound, you know.
Rhythm full of culture, Straight out of the street of Johannesburg, South Africa.
It's
true. Fahari Sound.
Szechuan.
Rastafari. With a dead light.
It's good over evil. War is not the answer, cause only love can conquer. Right now, rhythm well I.
Champion sound over so.
Fahari Sound again.
Blood. You coulda come from Rima or you come from jungle.
Love Ras. Lock off. Drop.